It's your girl Sin, and I'm back with another video. And if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, squad. Today, your girl is gonna be putting together some equipment, or something for some equipment, however you want to say it. So, as you guys know, I have had my Stahl's heat press on like a wooden table that I didn't really like it being on, and I was looking for a cart, and I think I finally found one. So I went ahead and purchased it this weekend, and now I'm going to put it together and let you guys check it out. Alright, so here's the cart right here. I'm going to go ahead and lay it flat and open it up. Alright, I was about to cut it with my knife right here, but it actually says do not cut. So, as you guys see right there, do not cut logos right there. So I'm just gonna be careful and raise that up to cut it. That should do it. Yeah, raising that up, I'm making sure to not cut anything. Alright. So that's what it's looking like right there. I don't even really have tools. Not too many tools anyway. I'm hoping it comes with the tools I need to put it together, or I might be having to do this video a little bit later. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. Let me see. Yeah, I think it does come with the tools. Thank goodness, thank goodness. Alright, we got the wheels right here. I'm gonna go ahead, take everything out. I think it's gonna be pretty simple to put together, but I'm gonna kind of look at this manual just a little bit, just to kind of see. Hopefully it's not too much. As y'all see, it's simple. This is what it is right here. It is pretty simple. And does it have the Allen wrench? Does it have the Allen wrench in here? Okay, it's showing that it needs an Allen wrench right here, but I'm not seeing an Allen wrench. I have an Allen wrench somewhere around here. Let me see. I'm gonna have to find my Allen. Oh, it's got the Allen wrench. I just overlooked it. It's in here. Alright, so let me look in there. And as y'all see, the girl got it from IKEA. It was hard trying to get this thing, y'all. It was hard trying to get it, because they actually didn't have any in stock. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And it's saying you need an extra person. Y'all see that? It's saying 2 people. Better than 1. But we're gonna work it out though. We're gonna go ahead and work it out. Alright, so the first thing it says is to turn this gray table upside down. So I'm gonna take this where's that? The plastic covering thingy. This thing right here. I'm going to place it on top of this so I won't scrape up anything. Use this to protect it right there. We're going to take it, lay this down flat right there. Then it says to take these legs and put it on there. Alright. Do not tell me it only got 3 legs. Do not tell me that. Okay, it's 2. Okay, I think this one, yeah, this 2 right here. Alright, so let me go to step number 1. So this goes like that. So basically it's pretty easy to put together. I'm going to put it together and speed it up so y'all can check it out. Y'all, this is gonna take a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put most of it together and I'll let y'all come back and check it out. Alright, I got the first row of legs on it right there, if y'all can see. So the next thing is gonna be to put a second row on right here. It says that you need 2 people though, so I'm gonna see how this go. I'm thinking I may need an extra person. I might. But I'm going to try it first. Because these things have to go in. And I think I might need somebody to hold this. But I'm going to see if I can find like a box or something to hold it. I think I could do that. Alright, so put this on here, or actually it's gonna have to go inside there, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna see if what I can do with this. Okay, I'm gonna see what I can find to hold this up right quick. Let me see. Is this gonna be able to hold it up? Let me see. I think I'm gonna go with it right here. Maybe some bottles of water or something. Let me see. I'm gonna try this bucket right here. See if this bucket can hold it up. Not quite. Something a little bit taller. See if these cups can hold it up. That might be right. Think the cups are gonna be able to do it. Yeah, the cups are gonna be just the right height to do it on this level right here. So we good to go. First, I had to get this bucket out of here, though. And get the screws out of here. And I have lost the tool, y'all. What do I do with the thing? What do I do with the thingy-mabob? I'll see what I did with that thingy-mabob, and I'll check back in with y'all shortly. Alright, y'all, I'm finally to the last level. I think this box is gonna work so that it can hold up this next one. Let me see. Hopefully it will. It's a little bit too tall. But no, actually it's about right. It's about right. So yeah, we didn't really need 2 people. You either need 2 people to do it, or you just need to use your noggin a little bit, and you can work it out. Whew, y'all. Yeah, because y'all know your girl ain't all that good with tools. Y'all know this was kind of tough for me. Let me get these cups from under the bottom. Got these cups from under here. Gotta get this box from under here. Let me see, how am I gonna put, yeah. I might not be, I got the box stuck under here, y'all. Let me see. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the box from under there, y'all. We're gonna see. But the cups came from under there. Alright, now we're gonna see how we put these legs, these wheels on here. Alright, so the wheels are easy. But the rest of it should be easy too. So basically, what we doing is, we're gonna put the washer up here, put that on there. Then we're gonna screw this in right here. And we got a little tool to make it tight. I'm just gonna put all of them on right now. And then I'm gonna take this little tool that they included and tighten everything up. Let me see if I can make it so that y'all can see it better. All right, hopefully that's got everything in full frame. So take the washer, put it on there. Y'all see how bad I am with this? Got to get more better. Got to get more better. All right, so all that's left is to flip this bad boy over and try to unstick this box from under here. Let me see if I can get this box from under here. All right, we got it. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and flip this bad boy over. Thank goodness I work out, y'all. Check your girl out on Get Fit with Sin. All right, I'm gonna let you check this out. Y'all can check it out. So that's the cart right there. It does have these little locks on here, so you can lock the wheels so that it won't move. I think it's gonna work out great for what I have it for. I actually may end up getting another one. I don't know, but I kind of like it. Okay, so I do have this bad boy right here. I don't know if I can get it and put it on there by myself, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it and see. And one other thing, this is kind of this cart right here is a little bit lower than that one. That one is a little bit higher. But I'm gonna see if I can get this, cause your girl have been working out, but I know that press is heavy. But I'm gonna use my brain on this one, so I won't break the press or hurt myself. And I don't know what the let me see if I can find it. But I don't know what the weight limit on this thing is. But I'm thinking it's gonna work because it's metal. It really don't have a weight limit on here. It didn't have a weight limit on the website. So we just gonna go with this and try to see. So let me see if I can roll this one around here, and I'll put these brakes on. I might have put the brakes on with my hand. Oh, I can put it down with my foot. Just gotta learn how to do it. Alright, so right now I got it stationary, and I'm gonna try to bring this other one around to it. Alright, so here's this. I should have turned this sideways. Let me see, I'm gonna turn this sideways. See if I can get this big thing on here, or if I'm gonna have to wait for some help. Let's see. Alright, so let's see, let me just walk it up, put it right beside it. Go ahead. Oh, let me see. Alright, y'all, I got this thing on the cart all by myself. The video had cut off, but y'all saw how I was doing it. I basically walked it to one side and walked it to the other side, kept walking around until I finally got it on here. But I'm gonna let y'all check it out and see what it looks like. I think it goes well with it. Like, the colors go well together, as you guys see right there. So y'all can kind of check it out. I mean, I think it looks nice. I'm gonna go back around this way and let y'all check out the front side. But yeah, that's what it's looking like right there. And I think it's gonna work out perfectly for me. And I kind of wish I would have got more than one of those carts now, but I may end up grabbing another one because I think they're nice. I'm not gonna place this yet. I am gonna do, once I finish, I'm doing a few little things up in here. I know it don't really look like it because y'all see all this junk piled up back here, but I am kind of redecorating and stuff, so y'all stay tuned. I'll be letting y'all see my new setup and everything, so y'all can see, see what everything looks like. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump off of here. But I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow your girl on Instagram at TshirtChick TV. Work out with me at Get Fit with Sin every morning at 8:30 Central Time. And you can also join that Prince Squad group on Facebook. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in another video. Prince Squad out.